Good morning everyone. So today we are going to be doing some cultivating. So I went and bought myself a DJI MAVIC Mini. So we will be taking her to the skies later on. Just make sure we've got the head cam correct. So the cultivator was missing a couple of the tines, so we just gone and picked a couple up, and Dad's fitting them on at the minute. There was one on there that was actually broken, that's now been removed, and some of them on there weren't in the right position, so Dad's repositioned them all. Dad's running through with the cultivator. I am currently pulling out stuff that we don't want, finding a few things. I know we've been through once before. He has since been through with the plough, pulled out some more stuff, so I'm on bricks, just any old rubbish, anything tipped. So I'll just show you guys what I have actually found quickly. So just chucking it all out of the way. I've seen it. I'll grab it, hold on, let me get rid of this one. So today we've been through before quite a few times. We're still, even now, pulling out more stuff that you wouldn't want in your soil. I couldn't understand what he was saying. There's a slight diesel leak that heads onto the exhaust. So we get a bit of a smoke coming at the minute. It's only a very minor leak though. Nice bit of slate. Huh. Just clean off some of the points. So I can see what's happening on my phone, and obviously I can also see the drone in the air, so that's very helpful. Right, let's see what's going on then. I'm right above him at the minute. Let's try and fly backwards and get better view. There we are. Change the camera down. Right, so I'm going to change the drone to cinematic now. See if we can get some nice slow shots of what Dad's doing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the cultivating going on behind me. Just to quickly show you before we end the video today, as you might recall, there was a bunch of metal here pushed up and we just had some random panels holding up. This was a massive gap into the chicken sheds. So what we did, we fixed some wood on the lower end. We've had to jack up the building, we've jacked up the inside as well, fitted some wood along the top here, and just nailed in some sheets onto the side there just to cover it up for now, and obviously blocked up along the bottom just to help it a bit more. Right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, let us know what we can do differently. Thanks for watching and take care.